All right, everybody. The last type of bonding that we're going to talk about is ionic bonding, and these are going to be with ions. Right? Sounds pretty nice. What is an ion? Right? So an ion is a charged atom or molecule. How are they charged? It depends on the number of protons, or really, it's the number of electrons. So in an atom, like we discussed earlier, the number of protons is fixed. So if we're talking about lithium, lithium will always have 3 protons. You cannot change that. But electrons can change. You could have a couple more, a couple less, maybe one more, one less, so on and so forth. You change the number of electrons, you change the charge. That said, if you have a negative charge, you are an anion. If you are a positive charge, you are a cation. Okay? With that said, in an ionic bond, a positively charged, or I'm sorry, an ionic bond is a bond that is formed due to an electrostatic attraction of a positive and negative atom. So they're going to bond together. Okay? An example is right here. If you have a sodium ion and a chlorine ion, right? This one has 1 valence electron. Sodium has 1 valence electron. Chlorine has 7 valence electrons. 1 sodium plus 7 chlorine equals 8. And that will be an ionic bond. And that'll be sodium plus chlorine, sodium chloride, salt. All right. Those are ionic bonds. All right. If you have any questions on those in more detail, please let me know. And if you want to understand how different bonds like that happen in the periodic table, you can watch this video that I have linked in here, or you can go on YouTube. There's so many different options. Or you can talk to me, and you can see it in more detail. So those are ionic bonds.